Very good morning, students. Welcome to Gyanmajari Vidyapith Mahuva online digital platform. As you know, I am your science teacher Vatsal Trivedi. For today, we are discuss in biology unit number 2, cells and reproduction. So here, day 8, we are start. So before the start today's day 8, let us solve some practice question regarding to previous day. So first question is that it is a practice question number 8.1. Answer the following question based on the structure and the function of the cell. यहाँ पे C हमको दिया if the plant cell did not contain the plastids, how would it affect the function of plant? So answer is like that. Green colored plastids called the chloroplast contain the chlorophyll which is necessary for photosynthesis. If plant cell did not contain the plastids, plants would not be able to make their own food using the sunlight. Next one is that answer the following question based on the structure and the function of cell. Why are muscle cells found in a bundles? So we can write that muscle cells are found in bundles because they are contract and they relax when a body parts move. Body parts need a lot of energy to move. Many muscle cell existing bundles of help provide the energy to the site of movement. Now the next topic is a size of cell. सेल के अलग अलग साइजेस होती है, वो किस तरह से उसके अंदर होती है वो हम देखेंगे. First, most cells cannot be seen by the naked eye and require to use a microscope. You can see here this machine is called the microscope. So the scientists are see in the microscope. किसको देखेंगे? सेल को. तो यहाँ पे वो सेल हमको बड़े होके दिखाएंगे. So the smallest cell are measured using the unit of micrometer. यहाँ पे जो आप देख रहे हो like this, तो यहाँ ये जो साइन है ये माइक्रो की साइन है और ये जो साइन है वो मीटर की साइन है. So it is a unit of the size. So 1 centimeter is equal to 10,000 micrometer. 1 centimeter is equal to 10,000 micrometer. Smallest cell. The smallest cell is called a mycoplasma. It is 0.1 micrometer in a diameter. While the largest cell is an ostrich egg. Ostrich नाम का जो बर्ड है उसका एग सबसे बड़ा सेल होता है. It measures in 170 millimeter by 130 millimeter. Are the cells present in the element's body larger than the cell of presence in a rat? ऐसा हो सकता है? No. The cell presence in animal body are not larger than the cells presence in a rat. The size of cells has no relation of the size of body of the organisms. Instead, the size of cell is related to its function. First is a nervous cell. Nervous cell both in the elephant and rat are long and the branched. Next is the red blood cell presence in the both elephant and the rat of the similar size. It is a disc shape and the absence of the nucleus allows to the transport of more oxygen around the body. क्या function है उसका? Oxygen को transfer करने का. The size of the cell will not be depend on the size of organisms. Now next is a practice question number 7.1 on SB9. The size of cells of an organism has a no relation to the size of its bodies. Do you agree? Give your reasons for your answer. So yes, I am agree that the size of the cell of organisms has a no relation to the size of its body. The size of cell related to the function it performs and not to the size of the organisms. For an example, a nerve cell responsible for the transmitting and the receiving messages is long and branched in a rate as well as elephant as it performs the same function in both organisms. The bigger body of the elephant does not imply that its cells will be larger in size. Okay. Now next is a figure number 15 show the image of the cell that measures into 3.2 centimeter. The image is drawn in a scale of 1 centimeter is equal to 0.1 micrometer. What is the actual size of cell? So how we can calculate? So first we can calculate like this. The size of image of cell we need 3.2 centimeter. हमको क्या फाइंड करना है? The actual size of the cell enlarged to the scale of 1 centimeter is equal to 0.1 micrometer. कुछ नहीं करना है, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर दो. 1 centimeter is equal to 0.1 micrometer, then 3.2 centimeter is equal to what? So we can write 3.2 into 0.1. So answer आएगा 0.32 micrometer. So hence the actual size of the cell is 0.32 micrometer. Next is identify the statement which is true about the cell. All cells can be easily seen in a naked eye. Insect eggs are not cells. A single cell can perform the whole function in a unicellular organisms. The size of cell is a uniform in a multicellular organism. So the C is a correct answer. A single cell can perform functions in a unicellular organism. Now next is practice question number practice question number 8.1 on SB10. Answer the following question based on the structure and the function of the cell. If a nerve cell were short, how would it affect their function? So first, if the nerve cell were short, they would not be able to carry a messages effectively. Now the next question, practice question number 8.2. Fill in the table given below. यहाँ पे आपको सेल के टाइप अलग अलग दिए, उसके ड्राइंग दिए हुए हैं. आपको यहाँ पे उसकी साइज, फंक्शन एंड हाउ डज स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ सेल हेल्प इन द फंक्शन ऑफ सेल, वो हमको यहाँ पे फिल करना है in a table. So let us start. First is a red blood cell. The size of cell is a 0.6 micrometer and the function of cell carrying the oxygen and the carbon dioxide and the blood, and the function of cell, the absence of nucleus increase the amount of oxygen in the cell carries. क्या करेगा? The absence of nucleus, उसके अंदर न्यूक्लियस नहीं होता है और वो क्या करेगा? ऑक्सीजन को कैरी करने का काम करेगा. Next is a white blood cell, and the size of cell is a 15 micrometer, and the function of cell is helps to fight infectious disease. And the how does the structure of the cell help to with the function of the cell? So it is a flexibility help in the easy movement through the blood vessels to the site of the infection. Next one is a nerve cell. The size of the cell is the diameter is a 4 to 100 micrometer and the length is a 2.5 centimeter to 1 centimeter. The function is like that: transmits the signal different parts of the body, and it is a long and thin structure with the nerves fibers helps to transmit the signal to the different part. Last one is a muscle cell. So it is a size of cell is a width उसकी है 10 to 15 micrometer and the length is a 10 to 40 millimeter, and the function of cell is contract and relax when a body part moves, and the function in the cell is that the cylindrical long and bundle structures helps to construction and the relaxation. Now the next one is a practice question number 8.3 in your SB 11. Complete the following questions. Label the cells. First हमको क्या करना है, यहाँ पे आपको एक सेल दिखाया है, उसको आपको लेबल करना है. So let's labeled. कर दिया है मैंने लेबल. First it is an animal cell. Here first one is a cell membranes, then vacuole, chromosomes, nuclear membranes, nucleus and nuclear pores. सभी को मैं न्यूक्लियस के अंदर ही आएगा. इट इज ऑर्गेनिल्स. एंड देन लास्ट वन इज अ साइटोप्लाज्म. इट इज अ जेली लाइक स्ट्रक्चर between the cell wall and cell membranes and the nucleus. Next, complete the next label. Next question is a label the cell. So it is a plant cell, and here first is a vacuole, then plastids, nucleus membranes, chromosomes, nuclear spores and nucleus. It is all are in a nucleus, then cytoplasm, cell membranes और यहाँ पे cell wall स्पेशल इसके अंदर होती है. You can label on your supplementary book directly. Complete the following question. Match the cell structure with their characteristic. First, cell wall, cell membranes, cytoplasm, nucleus, vacuoles and plastids. और सामने सभी की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक यहाँ पे दिखाई दे रही है, बट हमको उसको करेक्टली सीक्वेंस के अंदर उसको मैच करना है. सो लेट्स मैच इट. फर्स्ट, cell wall is outermost layer in a plant, a cell. Then next one is a cell membranes control what enters and exit in a cell. Then cytoplasm contains the organelles. Nucleus control the center of cell. Vacuoles stores water, nutrients and waste. Last is a plastids contains the chlorophyll. Complete the following question. Question number 8.3. Fill in the blanks given below. Cells can vary in shapes, size and function. So students, यहाँ तक आप सबको सब कुछ समझ में आ गया होगा. फिर भी यहाँ तक कोई भी डाउट है तो आप मुझे पूछ सकते हो. आई विल डेफिनेटली सॉल्व योर डाउट. सो आज हम यहाँ तक रखेंगे. यहाँ पे ये सेल वाला चैप्टर यहाँ पे कंप्लीट होता है. देन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर के अंदर हम नेक्स्ट चैप्टर स्टार्ट करेंगे अबाउट द रिप्रोडक्शन इन ऑर्गेनिजम्स. सो अभी हम यहाँ तक रखेंगे. अभी के लिए जो कुछ भी आज हमने क्वेश्चन किए सारे क्वेश्चन आंसर आपको आपकी फेयर बुक के अंदर डायरेक्टली लिख कर मुझे उसके फोटोग्राफ्स सेंड करने हैं एज अ होमवर्क. इट इज़ कंपल्सरी टू ऑल ऑफ यू. सो अभी के लिए स्टे हैप्पी, स्टे होम. थैंक यू वेरी मच. बाय. Take care, fun with science, enjoy the science.